Hi everyone, welcome to Snippets of Love. I'm Amy Love and I am coming on today to share with you my Amazon haul. So as I've mentioned before, I am organizing an event at my church for the women of my church, and I am having too much fun. So I got a bunch of the stuff I ordered from Amazon for that event in today, and I thought I would share them with you. And I did list everything in my Amazon shop, and the link is below. And I just wanted to say, because I know some of you expressed difficulty with the Amazon shop. It shows one picture. You have to click on that one picture to open up everything that's available. So I know that it looks like at first glance there's only one thing in the shop, but what you do is you click on that and then it will open up everything. So everything I'm going to show you, even if it's not crafty, I'm gonna link it in there because they're just so cute. So I was just gonna start with the cups because they were on top. So we're gonna have like a brunch, and we are gonna have a coffee bar and a tea bar, but I also wanted to have like a cold drink option. So I think I'm gonna make like a strawberry lemonade, and it's in a big clear container. So I'm gonna put like some frozen strawberries and lemon slices in there. I just thought it would be so pretty. But they had these adorable pink cups on Amazon that come with the straws and a lid. And I'm like, how pretty are these gonna be with the straws and the lid? So cute. So stinking cute. So I got those. I love that these came in a set like that. Just love. And I can tell I'm quickly gonna run out of room here. And so since we're doing an elaborate coffee bar, I wanted to have cute coffee cups. So the event is going to be very pink, which will not come to us as a surprise to any of you. But it's going to be very springy also. So I got these adorable cups with lids with these sleeves. And camera's over here. I just love how it all came together in a whole little package. So stinking adorable. Very excited about the cute cups. Okay, let me get the cups and sleeves out of the way. So much stuff. Oh, and this big box. I don't have to get the whole box, but I got, of course, pink bags. I got these bags because I am going to give them goodie bags. So a lot of this stuff is stuff that will be in the goodie bag. And aren't they cute? And of course, they're pink. I love it. It was just more economical to get a solid color. And I went with pink, of course. Like everybody at church that doesn't know is going to know real quick what my favorite color is. All right, and then, I did get some plates. So these are all different pastel colors. So there's yellow and pink and lavender and a mint green. It turns out I didn't have to buy napkins because we had a stash of really pretty napkins at church, and the plasticware, there was also a bunch of pink, go figure, plasticware. So I was like, okay, so all I had to buy was the actual plates. Put those over there. And then we're going to have kind of stations. We're going to be moving around stations, and one of the stations is going to be to decorate a prayer journal. So I got these little journals, which are so cute, which I have altered these and sold them in craft fairs before, but they're so cute, and I thought this would make a great little prayer journal. So I got these for them to alter, and then I got tons of stickers for them to decorate. Where's the other stickers? I got this little pack of stickers where I'm going to open those up. I just want to find the other pack because I bought two kind of packs like that. Oh, here's the other one. So I got these, like everything I got on Amazon, and they are linked below in my Amazon shop. But, okay, good thing I brought some scissors over here, I guess. These little packs of stickers. They're made like for prayer boards if you're making a prayer space. Look at that. And they're so cute. Butterflies and scriptures and so sweet. The Lord is my shepherd on a coffee cup. Yes, please. So just a bunch of stickers, and these, let me get a look at these. Same concept, but not all pink, because I know not everybody loves pink. I don't know what's up with that, but apparently it's a thing. So this does have pink, but it's not as shabby as the other one. So aren't these just beautiful stickers? Look at that Bible. Joy in all things. I thought these were precious. I actually saw these shared on, I was watching a prayer Bible video, and I don't remember whose video it was, but she shared these stickers, and then I was like, these are perfect. So these are for the prayer journals. All the stickers are, because they're only going to have like 20 minutes at each station, so I wanted to make it easy. So I wanted to make sure, you know, I figured stickers were the easiest thing to do. And then I got these pearl stickers, because who doesn't want to put pearls on their prayer journal, right? So I got all that for the prayer journal station, and I got these 72 markers. That is all going to be for this particular station. So let me see. I just had to take everything out of the package. Now I got to put it, figure out where I'm going to put it so I don't lose anything. Let's see. These are like different botanical stickers, which would be fun. You know, I realize everybody doesn't have as shabby an aesthetic as I do. So I tried to make sure there were options for everybody. Alright, let me set those to the side. And I'll put this back in the box with the prayer journals. So the next station that we're going to do, let me get everything out for that station. I don't remember what these are. Okay, I think this is it. One station is going to be, let's see, we're doing prayer journals, and we're doing, wow, all of a sudden it escapes me. We're doing cards. Yes. We are going to do, I thought they could make like a set of little cards that they could send out to their friends when they were thinking of them. And so I bought these washi tape for those. And I got some glue sticks for that same purpose. But let me show you the card that we're going to make. How cute are these? So that's just washi tape. So I bought all this washi tape because I figured that would be something easy that they could do. It wouldn't take a lot of instruction, and they could make, you know, whip a few out pretty quickly. So I will have everything die cut, the heart and the frame, and they'll just put glue sticks on their hearts and then put the washi tape. Right? Cute. So there's a craft color, and then there's also this color. So they're going to make those, and I think these are adorable. So I hope they like those. And I thought that's just an easy and cute card. Right? And so that's for that I ordered. And don't you love the washi? Like, look at the pink. Oh, and this one that I put away so quickly without showing you how stinking cute. Right? I wanted them to have some options that weren't pink. But it's hard for me. But it is all floral and springy, and that's the vibe we're going for. So there's 24 rolls in that guy. So cute. So I also got some Sharpies for them to write their names on their bags. And look at these. So on their bags, I'm going to have clipped with these adorable clips, like a door prize ticket and a prayer card and their name tag. And these are much brassier in person. They didn't look this brassy on Amazon, but it's a cross with a heart. Isn't it cute? So I'm just going to have this on the outside of their bag, holding on to some of the smaller pieces that I don't want to get lost in the bag, things that they are going to need right away will clip on with these cuties. So cute. And I don't know if you saw my my haul from Hobby Lobby, but I got these cute drawstring bags with hearts on them, and I think we're going to fill them with hugs. Isn't that cute? It's a friendship theme, and we're going to have hugs. I love it so much. Okay, so I got bulk hugs on the Amazon. So to go in the goodie bags, I got these so pink and cute pins. And they all have some sort of scripture on them. This one has has crosses and bows, pink bows, and says "Be the light." Hello, so cute. But they're not all the same. Like this one says "Blessed, not stressed." So cute. This one says "Saved by grace." Look at how adorable these are. I can't. They're so cute. Love, love, love. Faith plus hope plus love. Oh. So cute. So I got a bunch of these. This one has like a church, a little church on it. Look at how cute that is. It says she is worthy. Oh. Love these so much. So cute. So I got those to go in the goodie bag. And then let's see, let's get a couple of things out of this box. Okay, so these are goodie bag things too. So I got these. I thought these would be so cute. So they're Post-it notes, but they're like praying for Post-it notes. So you can put praying for whatever or whomever and then stick that somewhere. And they're all in like pastel colors. And they've got flowers, so they're springy. Praying for Post-it notes. So stinking cute. Let's go. I got some more in here. Yeah. Look at how cute these are. I just love this idea. And I was like, yes. So I got those for the goodie bags. So cute. And then I got these for the goodie bags too. They are little magnet bookmarks. Look at how cute they are. And they each say something different, but they are adorable. So it's the same thing on both sides. So it just goes over your page like that. Magnet bookmarks. So adorable. Let me see. Let me get a couple more out here. I'll show you. So they're not all pink, but they all are springy. Aren't they sweet? And I thought, what a nice gift, right? There's another one. Yeah, these are really, really cute. So I am making enough goodie bags for 50 people. I'm hoping between 40 and 45, but you almost feel like most of the stuff comes in 50, so I might as well plan for 50, and I don't want to not have enough. You know, I would feel terrible. So, and we haven't had sign-ups yet, so I don't know. I don't have a count for that yet. But these, friends, are chapstick. They are chapsticks. This one says, "He loves you." Oh, and there's a whole scripture on there. And it has the butterflies and the flowers. Oh my gosh. They are so cute. So cute. I love these. And who can't use a chapstick? I'm just saying. I think these are so sweet. So those are going in the goodie bags too. Is that everything? That's everything I got in this haul. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot's going in the goodie bags for the size of the bag, but I was thinking that that bag could also hold the stuff they do at the different centers as they travel around. So it'll hold their cards that they're making, it'll hold their prayer journals that they're making, and that kind of thing. So I'm very excited about it, and when I get some more stuff together, I'll show you, and I'll show you the centerpiece when I get it together. And maybe I'll be able to take some video when I, at the setup of the event, so I can show you how everything looks I don't know. I'm excited. Let me know what you think. And don't forget, you can find all these things in my Amazon shop, and it's linked down below. And I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.